I'm Todd Jitterborg with Odins Wolf Survival, and this is my third Sami style pouch that I'm making. First off, you have a magic marker or marker of some sort, your hide, figure out how big you want it. This one I used a soup can and drew around the base of it for the circle. And then I took a ruler and just drew straight up one side. Take your ruler and measure across the distance across the circle and put a mark up here the same distance across, then draw your other line up and then just go straight across. This will be the sides to your pouch. You will need 2 of these, and then you'll need a strip that's however wide you want it. I generally go close to half the width of this, maybe a little bit more. That'll make your pouch a little deeper. Then after I get that cut, then you make a top band, and I'll probably go 3 inches on that. That'll be sewn onto this. So that'll be what I'll be doing. I'll get back on when I start sewing. This is basically the rough layout of the pouch before sewing. It's the pieces all cut, the 4 pieces. The long bit to the right, or the top actually of it, here, that'll be the top band of it. This will be a little smaller pouch because each of those pieces, the side pieces, are about the size of my hand, maybe a little bit smaller. Then the center band will be sewn in. It'll be done inside out like the others, sewn with doubled up bonded nylon thread. So now the fun bit of sewing it up starts. Okay, I've got both sides sewn in to the strip going around to make the base of my Sami style pouch. It's being sewn inside out. Here I'm starting to sew in the collar of it, and it'll be pulled out and then the whole thing turned inside out. It'll give it the pouch, and this is the part that will be punched with the holes actually down inside for the lacing. This is what it looks like so far. The dark spots are bits of glue holding it together while I sew and move it about. It's especially handy down in this area when you're trying to sew these shapes together. This is where I'm at so far. I'm almost done around once. I'll have to go back around and sew up the side seam, because on this one where it overlaps I put a tiny cut, and then I'll just sew through and finish it around. This is the finished pouch. I've got it all sewn. The top collar's on. I've had to splice together where necessary. Holes are punched, and I used cow leather lace for this one. But it's all sewn on the inside, as you can see. I've got this full already with my leather sewing stuff. But you sew it on the inside out, and turn it back when you're done. But that's what it looks like. My Sami style pouch.